बिन तेल दीवा क्यों जलै, दीवा क्यों जलै, बिन तेल दीवा क्यों जलै।
सावन सरसी कामणी चरण कमल स्यो प्यार, मन तन रता सच रंग इको नाम आधार, बिखिया रंग कुड़ाविया दिसन सबे शार, हर अमृत बूंद सुहावणी मिल साधु पीवन हार।
One who is blessed falls in love with the words of the Guru, meaning the command of God's messages is for the good of the creatures. When it gets settled in the mind of the living beings, the stories of the glory of the Lord begins to feel good to the mind. Gurmukh, who listens to it with passion, dwells in Surat. His mind and body becomes prosperous, meaning that he leaves the traits and sows the cultivation of virtues in the heart. Just as the vegetation begins to blossom in the rainy season, the living beings also live in prosperity. His mind and his body are imbued with the love of God. The imperishable kotak of Maya, the worldly glories, seem to be worthless. Instead of collecting worldly materials, he considers the name of God as the sport of his life.
ਵਣ ਤਿਨ ਪ੍ਰਭ ਸੰਗ ਮੋਲਿਆ ਸਮਰੱਥ ਪੁਰਖ ਅਪਾਰ, ਹਰ ਮਿਲਨੈ ਨੌ ਮਨ ਲੋਚਦਾ ਕਰਮ ਮਿਲਾਵਨ ਹਾਰ, ਜਿਨੀ ਸਖੀਏ ਪ੍ਰਭ ਪਾਇਆ ਹਉ ਤਿਨ ਕੈ ਸਦ ਬਲਿਹਾਰ।
As the trees and the meadows turn green in the month of Savan, Akk, the wild plant, Jawaha, pricky plant, they dry up. Everyone is happy and the weaver worries about the loom. Sunk, the seashell, leaves the ocean and wails from place to place as the soul, bereft from the Guru, wanders throughout his life. By the union of the Lord Creator, with whom the whole world is filled with prosperity, the Lord is omnipresent, limitless, able to do everything. My heart also longs to meet him, but the Lord himself is able to unite with his grace. I am always wary of those Gurmukhs who have attained the Lord's grace. Not everyone can attain this state.
ਸ਼ਲੋਕ ਮਹਿਲਾ ਪਹਿਲਾ। ਨਾਨਕ ਸਾਵਨ ਜੇ ਵਸੈ ਚੋ ਓਮਾਹਾ ਹੋਈ, ਨਾਗਾਂ ਮਿਰਗਾਂ ਮੱਛੀਆਂ ਰਸੀਆਂ ਘਰ ਤਨ ਹੋਈ।
When Satgur's grace is showered upon us, joy and excitement arise everywhere, be it animals or plants, snakes, birds, fishes, and lovers of rusts, whose house has the wealth of enjoying the juice.
ਮਹਿਲਾ ਪਹਿਲਾ। ਨਾਨਕ ਸਾਵਨ ਜੇ ਵਸੈ ਚੋ ਵਿਛੋੜਾ ਹੋਏ, ਗਾਈ ਪੁੱਤਾ ਨਿਰਧਨਾ ਪੰਥੀ ਚਾਕਰ ਹੋਏ।
In the month of Savan, rain falls on many. Many suffer instead of happiness. The sons of cows, the bullocks, flowing after rain, the poor whose labor has stopped in its path, the wayfarers and the laborers have to face many obstacles, problems. The everlasting God has secured everything and ornamented in the command of truth.
ਨਾ ਤਿਸ ਬਾਪ ਨਾ ਮਾਏ ਕਿਨ ਤੂਜਾਇਆ, ਨਾ ਤਿਸ ਰੂਪ ਨਾ ਰੇਖ ਵਰਨ ਸਬਾਇਆ, ਨਾ ਤਿਸ ਭੁੱਖ ਪਿਆਸ ਰਜਾ ਧਾਇਆ, ਗੁਰ ਮਹਿ ਆਪ ਸਮੋਏ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਵਰਤਾਇਆ, ਸੱਚੇ ਹੀ ਪਤੀ ਆਏ ਸੱਚ ਸਮਾਇਆ।
Who is the creator and sustainer of the power that works through us? It has no particular form, sign, or color. Yet though all forms and colors are created by him, it has no trishna or worldly attractions. He is complete in himself. By immersing himself in the Word, giving the true message to the whole world, the Guru is drenched in the ever-abiding Lord and remains connected to the eternal Lord.
ਨਾਨਕ ਹਰ ਜੀ ਮਇਆ ਕਰ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਸਵਾਰਨਾ ਹਾਰ, ਸਾਵਨ ਤਿਨਾ ਸੁਹਾਗਣੀ, ਜਿਨ ਰਾਮ ਨਾਮ ਉਰਹਾਰ।
All living beings always beseech, my Lord, have mercy on me. You yourself will make my life complete by the word of the Guru. The month of Savan is going to bring joy and satisfaction to those lucky souls who have put the necklace of Guru's virtues in their hearts. Who are Sohagan?
ਟੂਟੇ ਦੀਏ ਸੁਹਾਗ ਕੋ, ਤਉ ਤਨ ਕਾਈ ਕੌਰ, ਜਿਨਾ ਨਾਉ ਸੁਹਾਗਣੀ, ਤਿਨਾ ਝਾਕ ਨਾ ਹੋਰ।
To meet God, we should be present with God in the heart. Those who are Sohagan do not associate their mind with any other than the Lord. That is, the soul is always attached to the Lord, the owner of the body, through the words of the Guru.
ਹਉ ਵਾਰੀ ਜੀਓ ਵਾਰੀ, ਸ਼ਬਦ ਸੁਹਾਵਣਿਆ, ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਨਾਮ ਸਦਾ ਸੁਖ ਦਾਤਾ, ਗੁਰਮਤਿ ਮਨ ਵਸਾਵਣਿਆ। ਰਹਾਉ